look at what is going to happen here. How to use Grok AI for free. I want to show you guys something just for you to know that this method is authentic and is what a lot of creators are now using now to create their videos. Let me click on see more. You can use Grok AI for free, primarily through an ex formerly Twitter account by accessing the dedicated Grok tab, which often provide limited access to models like Grok 2 or Grok 3 without a premium subscription. Free users can ask questions, generate images, and analyze real-time data, typically with usage limit every few hours. These are the method in which you can use Grok using Twitter account, right? So this is your sign to create a Twitter account if you don't have one. Log into your X account on a web browser or mobile phone and click on the Grok tab on the side menu. This is the official and most common way to access free limited access. I will advise use your PC for this, because when I did this tutorial on my mobile phone I was even confused and the price there was even more higher than what I'm seeing here. So I advise you use your PC for this. So when you come here, this is my Twitter interface. I just created this Twitter account today, like this evening. I see Grok here. So when you click on this Grok, this is a basic Grok which can allow you to create image, edit image, and also see the latest news. Then for you to be able to generate a video using Grok, here is where the main magic lies. And to me, this is a game changer for anyone doing AI content, storytelling, faceless content like Bible Bible content, Bible stories channel, motivational storytelling, African folktale. This is a game changer for you people. Look at the magic here. So I'll come here and click on this premium. First of all, to show you guys that I created this account. This was not the account I used when I was doing it on my phone. I just needed to create this one because I will not remember the password of that account, and I don't want to go through all those process of resetting password. Look at it, joined March, assuming they show the day. All right, you have seen that it's just today. So I'm going to click on premium. So when I click on premium, boom, look at what is happening here. Twitter is giving you 50% off discount. I don't know if you guys watch my video now to use Super Crow. You can see how much they put there for monthly, $30 monthly. Then imagine you pay $3.8 to access Grok for good 2 months. Is it not a game changer? Look at the magic. Look at the, you can see 7,600 naira here. When I tried it with my phone, the price was a bit higher. So when you come here, you can see 7,600 cancel, 3,800, right? Everything in premium, basic, and you'll be verified. Number one, you have access to enhanced Grok, you have advanced analytics, less ad in your feed, boosted replies, write article, get paid to post. Really, a friend of mine told me that Twitter paid, but I didn't really pay attention. Maybe I will answer much no. You can get creator subscription and X Pro. Then if you are Odogu and Odogres Parara, you can go for this premium plus. This one is just give it a promo and wait for the magic is going to be creating for you. The masterpiece is going to be giving you. These are the compare when you are using basic, when you are using premium, when you are using larger. Of course, you know how it could be now. You will not expect what you pay and what you are using free to be the same thing. So this is how you can use Grok. You can pay for your Grok. So in the basic, you are just using usage is zero, usage limit zero, blah blah blah. But in this premium, use higher super Grok, and you also tag Grok in your reply. Then in this premium, this is where the finish work when you are using premium plus. But that is not a problem for small creator. You can go ahead and use this premium. Okay, then look at the thing here. You can see 76 is cancelled, and what you see here is 3,008 for the first 2 months. That means you are going to be paying 3,800 for the first 2 months, because Twitter is giving you 50% discount. for the first 2 months. So let me scroll up and click. Don't lose your 50% discount on premium. Can you see that? I'll click on subscribe to pay. Let's assume that I want to pay. Me, I'm doing the tutorial content, but for me this worth it, because if you are doing a faceless channel, or if you own a faceless channel where you don't buy tripod, you don't buy ring light, you don't buy LED light, you don't buy microphone, it's better you invest your money on paid AI tools. Sometimes free one is okay, but when you see a paid tool that will give you magic, that will give you what you want, please invest in it, because you are going to make your money times two. You never can tell if this video is going to go viral, and you never can tell if you are going to be getting your brand deal from this very particular video. So always do well to invest in your content. So when you come here, this is where you put in your card detail, your email address, right? The email address of the account. These are the card they accept Visa, MasterCard, and all those stuff. You put in your name, your country. After everything, you click on I'm purchasing as a business, save my information, and boom, you go ahead and subscribe and enjoy. By subscribing, you'll be authorized X to charge you according to the terms until you cancel. If you want to cancel after 1 month, if you don't want to renew it after 1 month, you go and cancel your subscription. You want X to be deducting money, so there's money in their account, they'll be taking their money. So guys, this is a masterpiece and this is a game changer for every content creator out there. Try out this and trust me, this is a game changer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video, as I'll be dropping more updates like this more often regarding to this Grok, because this is the best tool ever as far as video creation is concerned. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section. Does this worth it? For me, this is just the best. Bye, and I'm going to see my next video.